guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking Liberian palava sauce, aka jute leaf. That's what some people know it as. I'm going to put on my net over my fro just for the safety of food, and then we're going to get right into it. In here, let me first start with what's in the pot. This is the jute leaf, aka the palava sauce. Before it went into the pot, this is what it looked like. They have a brand called Montana, but this brand, I think I got this from the Indian store. So it says it right there, palava sauce. This is the packaging that it comes in. You defrost it and then it goes into the pot. This is a total of 7 in here. This added on will make it. So it comes out of the plastic bag. That's the liquid that was in there because I've been defrosting it. It comes out of the plastic bag and then I usually just squeeze it in here. This plate, you see the water from the bell pepper. It's been sitting a little bit after blending. This is bell pepper and spicy habanero pepper. This here is onions and smoked fish. I just blended this because I like to make sure that it cooks with my palava sauce for like 5 to 10 minutes. You know, just, I would say saute it for a bit, let it marinate. Then to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you will know when it's time to add your meat because the palava sauce changes a little bit of the greenish texture and color. Not really texture, I'll say the color. So let me let this steam up a bit. All right, and 10 minutes later, there, I add my garlic salt. A teaspoon, half a teaspoon actually. My chicken flavor, Beyond. I love this seasoning, so I always use 2 scoops of the teaspoon. You can use any seasoning of your choice. To be honest, I just use what I like. Then I have the black pepper. My Maggi is in here. I usually let it soften up and then it dissolves. Like I go like this. If you see it, this is a piece of the cube. So I leave it in a corner for it to get soft and just melt right into the soup. So if you've been watching my previous videos, you will see how I season my meat. This meat is previously cooked and well seasoned. So all I'm gonna do is add the meat to the palava sauce and watch my previous videos to see how I cook and season my meat or how long. This meat is goat meat. I have dry turkey here. And I'm just gonna add it here. That's the grease, because the meat was previously cooked and it's been sitting for a while. So this is the grease from the meat. Plate, I have my dry bony or dry fish. This is the fresh magret. I cooked it, but because I don't want it to smash up, I'm gonna probably put this a little bit later, like when the soup is almost done. This is well seasoned and cooked. So this is dry bony. I took out all the bones from in it. I'm just going to add it here along with the meat so that it can, you know, marinate with all the other seasoning in there. And I'm just gonna stir this up. This is one of my favorite soup because you can have this with fufu. You can have this with rice. I'm gonna let this to cook for about 35 minutes, and then we add the red palm oil, and that's about it. All right, in there. This is what it looks like about 35 minutes later. It also cooked the meat a little bit more. So I'm gonna add my fish. This is the fresh mackerel that I boiled. Well seasoned and boiled, so mix it up in there. And I'm gonna add my palm oil. I don't really measure it, I just put it into the amount that I like. So I'm adding this palm oil. Adding the palm oil takes about maybe 10-15 minutes because the water in this is very dry and this soup is already well cooked and seasoned. So I would just say 10-15 minutes and we're good to go. This is one of my favorite. Like, if you guys have been following my channel, you will notice that I always like to cook stuff that I can eat it with multiple things. Like palm butter, eat it with rice or fufu. This, you can eat it with rice or fufu. It saves me the time and the work on trying to make other soup, because if I have that, and it can be used for multiple, you know, stuff. Is nice. Look at that. Ooh, I can't wait to dig in there. All right, cook for 10-15 minutes and then we're all set.